do I tone down my exhaust? I've got long tube headers, off-road pipes, and I'm running a Corsa Performance Catback setup on there. All you have to do is purchase this pipe, and it is an exact replacement for that double H pipe that doesn't have the resonators in it. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the building, and I'm very excited today to announce a new product we've got here at Lethal Performance. This is our 3-inch resonated double HH pipe for the 15 and up Mustang GT, Dark Horse, and Mach 1. Well, I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Lethal Performance double H pipe, which we've been selling for years. It's actually one of our best sellers here. This is a new variant of it, which incorporates resonators into the pipe. Now, this is an upgrade for all you guys out there with factory exhausts and want to have a louder tone to it, but not go crazy by purchasing any type of aftermarket catback or axleback mufflers. This is designed to be just replace those factory resonators on the stock exhaust to give you that better, louder exhaust tone to it. Our resonated H pipe is made from high-quality T304 stainless steel, mandrel bent and welded to perfection. We utilize MBRP resonators on here to help you guys get the exact sound you're looking for and also include the proper adapters and clamps for installation. You can use this as an upgrade for your factory catback system or utilize it swapping out any other double H or double X pipe on a Corsa Performance catback setup. This is a game changer for sure. We see a ton of times people talk about, how do I tone down my exhaust? I've got long tube headers, off-road pipes, and I'm running a Corsa Performance catback setup on there with the current H pipe design that doesn't have resonators in it and it's really too loud. Typically, the suggestion is, well, go and buy some resonators, have them cut out and weld it in. This takes all the guesswork out of the way. All you have to do is purchase this pipe, and it is an exact replacement for that double H pipe that doesn't have the resonators in it. So for you guys out there that have one of those setups, they're looking to tone down the exhaust, this is your answer right here. Take a listen to the comparisons that we have for you right here. Make sure to head on over to lethalperformance.com to purchase them. They're available right now. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at 561-753-8105 on the Mustang King. And I'm out of here.